All set?
Good morning, board. So I just want to give you guys an update on where we're at with Northwind Traders and our new database management system. My name is Francesco Tenna, and this is my colleague, Wendell Lamar. Just to reiterate, we're food people. Northwind Traders handles dairy products, fish products, beverages, all across the globe. We have orders and shipments on 6 continents. In order to compete globally, we need to be organized. We've been seeing a lot of expansion recently, and as a result, we've hired a database manager to track customers, vendors, orders, and inventory throughout our process. And that database manager is Wendell Laura. Again, my name is Francesco Tenna. I'm the Chief Technology Officer here at Northwind Traders. So I'm going to hand it off to Wendell to let her talk about some of the essentials of setting up the database.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So over here, we start off with replacing first and last name in the database. We save it right after that. We go on to filtering by confections, which is the category name. We have over here the unfiltered and the filtered one. And again, we had to do a criteria so the ship date will only show for the May orders. And we have it in starting off from the beginning to the end of May. Again, over here we filtered by country, and it's in alphabetical order as well, starting from Argentina, as you can see. Francesco.
So as you can see, we've gotten pretty organized. Before this, the orders were just stacks of papers on tables. So this has helped us really being able to analyze things in an organized manner, being able to organize things by country, being able to analyze individual months like May 2012 really helps that a lot. This is actually one we would have never even thought of doing, which is analyzing the different discounts we have on different products. As you can see, we're able to summarize which discounts are working, how much revenue we're getting from different discounts. Sometimes our biggest revenue earners have no discounts at all, which is interesting as well to know. And to just summarize everything, so the biggest discounts we're giving out are on condiments, and our least biggest discount we're giving out are on produce. And you can see the revenue that's being generated by each category there very easily. We're also able to zero in on performance, not just by category or by country or by month, but by our individual employees. Here are 3 employees and their performance month by month. As you can see, Francesco is an up-and-coming employee. His sales are through the roof in November of 2012. Callahan, on the other hand, was a star before, but it seems his sales are kind of waning, so we might have to get rid of him. Dodsworth is performing pretty average across the board. We're also able to, again, summarize in very professional-looking reports using the report query to check out the summaries of different categories. So that's the revenue and also percentage of the total revenue that it is for the year for 2012. And in addition to, like I said, we're undergoing rapid expansion, so Wendell's going to tell you how we're handling organizing the different tables when they get very stuffy.
Okay, again, we were filtering and setting criteria to the table and queries. We have over here where one where we replaced the name as well. We also did the order by country, which we started off. Let me go back so I can show you. We started off with the UK. We did a filter so that it would replace the UK with United Kingdom in all the orders, as well as doing a filter. A criteria where it could show Sweden, Norway, and UK. Oh, I'm sorry, getting ahead of myself. And this one will only show Sweden, Norway, and Denmark.
Scandinavian countries.
Exactly, Scandinavian countries. Thank you.
Yep.
Then we go over to setting a form where we had to introduce to the employees, like the email and the photos. And for that, what we did was we went over to the design view and we just added a field which was not included to begin with in the report. Oh, sorry. We added a few emails for some of the employees that were in the list, as well as all the photos. And you can see me right there. Oh yeah, we went over to, we went ahead and we did also, we set buttons which would specifically show information on each employee by pressing that specific number, which would be the employee ID number, and it would show all the orders for that specific employee and all the orders that we've been working on for every customer. So it will go on to employee 6, and then the name will be stated on the left-hand side. And again, to close the form as well as the access data sheet, you would just press the X. And we have all of that showing in there as well. And
So-
yay for trophies.
So, in addition to analyzing each employee's individual work, we also made it easier for them to become efficient by including that form of buttons. So I think the company's in good shape. We're more efficient. We're ready to compete. We've been handling our expansion in a very smart and efficient way, thanks to our database manager. And I think you'll see the company's in good shape. Thank you.